Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products for your needs. Today, we're diving into the world of bedding with a review of the Utopia Bedding Zippered Mattress Encasement. If you're a hot sleeper looking for the perfect mattress cover, you're in the right place. This mattress encasement from Utopia Bedding boasts 100% waterproof and bed bug-proof protection, making it a must-have for any mattress. But what sets it apart as the best choice for hot sleepers? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about the material. Made from stretchable knitted polyester fabric, this mattress encasement not only fits your mattress like a glove but also provides a comfortable feel while you sleep. Say goodbye to uncomfortable, plastic-like covers that trap heat and moisture. The zippered cover ensures 360-degree protection, sealing off your mattress from spills, bed bugs, and dust mites. Plus, the high-quality TPU backing on all sides resists any leakage into the mattress, keeping it clean and safe. With over 100,000 global ratings and an impressive 4.6-star average, it's clear that customers love this product. In conclusion, the Utopia Bedding Zippered Mattress Encasement is not only a top choice for protecting your mattress but also an ideal solution for hot sleepers. With its breathable fabric and waterproof protection, you can enjoy a comfortable night's sleep without worrying about overheating. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations. Until next time, sleep tight and stay cool with Utopia Bedding.